What do these words have in common? They all have a deleted syllable. Let's start with camera. Camera has 3 syllables. Camera. However, when we say this word, we only say it with the first syllable and the last syllable, with the stress on the first syllable. Camera. Camera. Discovery has 4 syllables. Discovery. But when we pronounce this word, we delete the third syllable, So we just say discovery. And the second syllable is stressed. Discovery. Discovery. Favorite has 3 syllables. Favorite. But when we pronounce this word, we delete the reduced vowel in the second syllable, and the V kind of goes on to the last syllable. Favorite. Favorite. So it has 2 syllables. The first syllable is stressed. The bad news is there's not a set rule for how to know when to delete a syllable. But one thing is for sure, you're never going to delete a stressed syllable. So the syllable that gets deleted, if there is a deleted syllable, is going to be a weak vowel sound, a reduced vowel. Can you think of any other words with deleted syllables? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time.